those people that keep saying, oh, YouTube is not that hard now, just start, like start right away, like just start, like start. Well guys, I just want to tell you that YouTube can be easier for you if you have a process, and today I want to show you my own process of researching, filming and editing videos for YouTube. So I research my topics through conversations with people, through searching on YouTube itself, and also going on Google Trends to search for keywords that I want to use in my topic. So I go on Google Trends and I search keywords against each other. I go to the YouTube search bar to do that. I compare those keywords and I look for keywords that are performing great on YouTube. So these keywords help to show the volume of searches and the keyword that's trending more than the other and how long it has been trending. So I can see here that edit is trending better than most of the keywords that I have searched. The next step in this process is writing down my filming steps to help me think through how I intend to film, and I write the frames in steps. I use a Boya microphone and it has a very long wire that enables me to attach to my phone, stand at a longer distance and still get my sound recorded on my phone. Samsung A71, and it's doing quite a good job so far. Ring light, I attach my phone to my ring light. I sit behind a white background and that helps the light to bounce and lit up my video. I use InShot to edit all of my videos so far. So what you want to do is go to video and select all of the videos that you want to edit. I use the most is the split tool, the split and delete tool actually. So I just go through the video and split out and delete part of the videos I do not want. So I press splits, I go through the videos, I look for the part that I do not want, press split again and delete. My next tool will be the text tool. Text tool is another tool that I use the most. It helps me write text to support my video and support it as a prompt. So I am able to edit the text. I am able to change color, change font. I'm also able to use transition in my text, all of which is available in the text tool. This tool will be my music tool. This is where I come to get music for my video. So I get my background music. You can import music into InShot. InShot also has effects that you can use, free effects. However, one interesting thing about InShot is that they have royalty-free music, a whole lot of royalty-free music that you can use for your background, for the background of your video, and I use that a lot in most of my videos. You can also go on YouTube to search for music and download into InShot and extract the music from the video. So what I'm trying to do right now is adjusting the music to where I want it to start, and I'm also trying to split and delete part of the music that I did not want. I'm reducing the volume to the volume that I would like. I wouldn't want it to be too loud so that you can hear me. So there you go guys. Is this a process that you would like to try, or is there something you would tweak to it to make it your own? Please like, share in the comment section below what you would tweak to this process. Is there advice you can give all of us in general to make this thing easier? Please write it in the comment section below and share with somebody that needs this video to push them to start their YouTube channel. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.